In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily hard reset your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and all you have to do to hard reset your iPhone is just press a combination of buttons. First of all, you need to press volume up button, after that volume down button, and then you need to press and hold power button. You need to do it really quick, just like that. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold power button. Keep holding it until your iPhone screen turns off, and then keep holding it until Apple logo appears. When Apple logo comes up, we can release power button in that way, and then all we have to do is just wait for the iPhone to load. That's how you can easily hard reset your iPhone.